He gave me some of his ass.
You took half of one?
Yeah. No, I took a whole. Might as well pick me up too.
Y'all
Hey, are you gonna pop this?
I did.
You already did? When?
He gave me one to fill.
Oh, you did? You already popped it. We're all gonna pop them together. Now you're just gonna be the lonely one.
No, I
You're
popped
gonna
mine
be the
too.
lonely one.
Oh, y'all are fucking gay, man. Tommy, come pop your thing as well.
I'll buy that other one off you, Joe.
I'm gonna pop it.
Are they uppers or what?
Buy one off of Tommy.
Tommy,
Tommy has 5 of them.
how much will you sell me one for, Tommy?
For you.
$10. 15.
So this so you paid 15.
Hold on, just wait. I'll tell you.
know.
I just... Hey, Tommy, you better come pop one with the sofa.
Hey, can I get 2?
And give
I
10.
already took mine though.
I'm gonna give them to you right now. You're gonna pop 2 of them?
Two
more?
2 more.
Yeah.
So you're gonna do 3 of them. Alright, I'm gonna be on 2. Oh. Alright, yeah, now I gotta go dance.
No, bro. I